Hi guys, this is Cooking with Beara, and I'm here to cook noodles. Like cooking with daddy. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your food, and you're gonna take it out of its wrapper. Okay. Then, if you need the instructions, you keep them. But I'm a professional, so I don't need them. So I'm throwing them away.
Oh.
Then, what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna open it up. As you can see, there are veggies in here.
Lucky charm.
I'm not too big of a fan of the veggies.
I love the
so
veggies. No!
I don't like.
Please,
I
no!
Always dump them out.
They're my favorite part. The cone is my favorite part.
I don't like the carrot.
I love
don't
the
like
cone. Oh, I just saw it. I just saw something flying.
I mean, now that I have your thing open and ready, you know, get the closest water source to you and fill it.
I hope you're not gonna put that in the microwave.
That is right here.
Oh my god, you're not supposed to put them cups in the microwave.
I'll be fine.
No.
You're gonna love it. It's so much more convenient for me. I don't want to wash any dish.
Yeah, that looks convenient.
Can you quit? This is cooking with Beara, not cooking with Nickel. And then you're gonna put a napkin over here and just set it on the bed. And so you open up your microwave, my lovely microwave, and
I'm sorry, the fucking bread in the
you
way.
grab it, and it's not bread, it's a tortilla. And then it's meat, corn, and then let's say goodbye.
Bye.
And you close it quietly. And you put it in for 3 minutes.
Oh!
What you need in your life is the booty pop pump, booty pop pump.
So now that you have your thing fully cooked,
Just a little bit more.
okay.
Ew.
You could have put it on a paper, on like a plate or something.
Oh.
Anywho, while you're cleaning up the mess,
Ew, you just put that on the stove without wiping the bottom?
there's nothing on the bottom.
Are you sure? When I see that ring on the stove when you pick it up.
So now I just mix my ramen up.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
It was so watery.
Blow it off.
It is so hot.
If you need the instructions, keep 'em. But I'm a professional, so I don't need 'em.